Welcome to Pi Tou Thai Kitchen. Again, today we're going to make KHAO MOK GAI or Thai Chicken Biryani. Our Thai style, yeah, and also our recipe. And the recipe quite a lot today, but not complicated, right? Okay, first we show coriander, this one the whole coriander, and then shallot and sliced shallot, ginger, the basmati rice, tomato, turmeric. This one just for make the color, and this one anesthetic star. This one cumin powder, curry powder, and clove, ginger, and yogurt.
There's garlic, not ginger.
ginger อยู่นี่ oh this one garlic garlic and yogurt, but today we cook a lot. This one for the whole family and friend. Yeah, this one we use chicken thigh about 2 kilo, right? And then we use the blender today. We blender ginger, shallot, garlic, and coriander. I need to slice this one.
So some of the shallot you use for one thing and another bit you use
This is the sliced shallot just for fry. After complete everything, and then we top up. But I cook
So how many you put in there? 2?
This one?
In the blender, how many you put?
2. No, but 2. The first one first, yeah. But I do is more. I put a little bit.
And how many garlic you put?
Garlic, I put 6-7 cloves. Okay, now we start to cook. We fry sliced onion first. Yeah, we heat oil. Okay. Yeah, the gas not too high. Yeah, when the oil, when this oil getting hot, you can fry this one. And then lower the gas, just medium heat. Hot, huh? Yeah, it takes about 2 minutes. Yeah, the color getting darker. Okay, right.
Take it out.
Okay, then you take it out.
Have to change the battery.
Actually, you can get a red one, fried onion from supermarket. But when we do at home like this, it get a nice smell. Okay, then we use this oil to fry all this ingredient. But we don't need this too much oil. Just about here, the spoon like this. Okay, we used all this one, the one we use the blender to then to put in here. Okay, now we use this one to fry. You have to keep on stirring until you can smell all those ingredients.จะมาส่องหน้ากูทำไมนะ
น่ากินเลยเชฟเลย
Yeah, seldom I can hear. You said I look very nice.
Whatever. That is a lie.
Now you get nice smell. Then you put นี่เรียกอะไรว่ากูลืมไปละcumin powder. You put teaspoon cumin powder, curry powder. เนี่ยเอาไป teaspoon. Okay, but don't forget to stir. And a star. Clove. This much. And turmeric powder. Fry. ข้าวหมกไก่กูทำไมเขียวปึ๊ด
อะไรนะ
ข้าวหมกไก่กูเขียวปึ๊ด
ไม่ทีเลย
ไม่เกี่ยว
No, have to put more cumin. More not green because of coriander. Okay, and yogurt.
That one just Greek yogurt, huh?
Yeah. Greek yogurt.
Can you use like double cream or
No, just yogurt.
any yogurt, but it has to be thick.
Cream, yeah, thick yogurt. Okay,
Okay.
you this one you fry about 15 or 20 minutes. Okay, now you taste it. Put the taste. Salt, but I don't know how many. But I try to put
เกลือนะเกลือนะ
salt. I try to put 2 teaspoon first. ไปจับ and sugar 1.5. That's it. จริงๆมันอาจจะต้องใส่เยอะแต่ว่าต้องลองดูก่อน A little bit more. So what more?
Yummy.
Yeah. Okay, we need more yellow. We put more turmeric powder. Okay. ไม่เพราะฉันทยอยเปลี่ยนวันที่
รอเปลี่ยนกัน
หอมไหม Okay, this is the smells nice. Okay, now we put chicken thigh in here.
โอ้เยอะนะ
Good today for
Lunch and dinner.
lunch and dinner for friend, for family. Oh, this one we cook chicken until not really cook, like a 3/4 cook, and then we take the chicken out. We put and then we put we clean the rice, basmati rice, and then we put in here. You can cook rice in here or cook in the steamer. But today I cook in the steamer, maybe more easy for you. Right, but we used all
But you
this
cook it the rice first and then add it to
and then mix with this one and then keep it another 10-15 minutes, you know, and everything, all the taste, everything, yeah, absorb. Okay, yeah, the rich. but you keep on stirring every a few minutes, right? And then while we waiting for the chicken to cook, we're going to do the sauce. We serve with the achar sauce, right? And we did achar sauce before, right? You can check from the previous YouTube, okay? I don't like to keep on saying over and over. When I said yes, it means yes. Okay, the achar sauce. You can check achar sauce from this video how we make it. Okay, just roughly only the salt, sugar, vinegar, and boil. Leave it until cold. Yeah, that's it. And then after cold, then we slide this one, and then put achar sauce.
มีเปล่าไม่รู้มาแล้วก่อนกลับมากิน
อันนี้พริกชี้ฟ้านะ
Yeah, พริกชี้ฟ้า
อ้าว
Okay, slide cucumber. Okay.
ตัดขึ้นชัก
ไม่ just when you cut in the middle I feel เสียว
อ๋อ
เดี๋ยวทำไมล่ะ
she just chop
ตัดช็อปเข้าไปเลยใช่ไหม
feel like cross the legs
I love achar sauce. Now carry on. Okay, that's it. Yeah, and then we put achar sauce. Yeah, leave about 5 or 10 minutes. The water for cucumber and shallot.
this one this dish popular in Thailand ข้าวหมกไก่
South of Thailand they eat.
oh south like
Yeah, Muslim.
Muslim
But they eat in Bangkok. Yeah, the people because also a lot of Muslim in Bangkok. Yeah, and they cook this one and they eat it. And then okay, now 90% cooked, right? Then I take the kitchen out.
you know you said I take the kitchen out
No, chicken. Okay, I take the kitchen out from the chicken. Okay.
so you take the chicken out
Yeah, because I use this gravy to
Yeah.
cook the rice.
okay so this one you put in the rice cooker okay you don't think it's easier to put the rice in here though?
No, you can do. Yeah, but that one more easy.
Some people they don't have rice cooker.
If you don't have rice cooker, can put the rice in here, but it take time.
Yeah.
Yeah, we use this one. Put here. If cook in the rice cooker, then you know how much for the gravy. I use this finger, touch it. Yes, just about this one. From rice on top of the water. Yeah, this one. Okay. If too much, depend if you like soft, you can put more. Steam the rice. It take about 10, maximum 15 minutes. This is how it look like after cook. Yeah, and now I put back in the pan and mix with the chicken. Okay, put in the pan. After rice has cooked, we put back in the pan, mix with the chicken and leave for 5 minutes, and then complete. Okay, after this, put the fried shallot on top and ready to serve.
Alright, so here we have KHAO MOK GAI with some ajak sauce. Wow. Yeah, it's really good. Perfect.